Gents, today we're going to be planting a bare root ASTILBE pink. These are nice, they're a perennial and they're nice in a semi-shaded spot in the garden. So first of all, this is what you get. As you can see, there's a shoot there just coming through. So all you need to do with these is pretty simple. Make your hole, plant it like so. I like to start them off in pots, and then I can keep an eye on them, and then I can plant them when they get going, wherever I need them to be. Cover them like so. Easy as that. Some water at the top, and then into the sink. It's really that simple. Nothing more complicated than that. These can be placed outside in a shaded area until you see the first shoots, and then you can plant them wherever you want in the garden. So that's ASTILBE. These are the growing instructions on the back. I don't know if you can get that. But any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm really looking forward to seeing this plant in my garden. This is a plant I've never grown before, so anybody got any good advice, please let me know. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.